Imagine your data pipeline taking 6 hours to load, costing your company $12,000 every single night. Then one tiny change cuts it down to 18 minutes. That change, it's called proper data loading. And 99% of data engineers are doing it completely wrong. Stick around, because in the next 9 minutes, I am gone. And I'll show you exactly what data loading is, the 5 ways pros do it, and the one method that's exploding in 2025. Let's go. What's up, legends? Welcome back to DataFocusOfficial, the channel that turns raw data into career rocket fuel. If you're a data engineer, analyst, or aspiring data professional, you're in the right place. Today we re-breaking down data load in the L and ETL and ELT. That actually decides whether your pipeline flies or dies. Drop A in the comments if you've ever waited hours for a load to finish. Data loading is the moment your data finally moves from a file, a PI, or staging area into your actual database, data warehouse, or lakehouse, so people and dashboards can use it. Think of it like moving furniture into a new house. You can dump everything at once, full load. Bring in only the new stuff, incremental load, or update piece by piece like IKEA instructions merge upsert. Sounds simple, but mess this step up and your entire pipeline collapses. Let me show you the difference. 2 big strategies right now. ETL equals extract, transform, then load. Old school, transform on your laptop or old server. ELT, extract, load, then transform. New school, you dump raw data straight into Snowflake, bigger query, or data, then transform with dbt or Spark. Why did everyone switch? Because cloud warehouses are now 100x cheaper and faster at transforming than your old Python script. Real stat. Companies using ELT save 60 to 80% on compute costs. But here's the secret nobody says out loud. Method 1. Full load, you delete everything and reload all data. Super simple, but kills performance on big tables. Only use this on your first load or tiny tables. Method 2. Incremental load. This is where most pros start. You only load new or changed rows using a timestamp or ID. I'll show you the exact watermark trick in a second. Method 3. CDC change data capture. The 2025 meta tools like Debezium or Fivetran capture inserts, updates, and deletes in real time. Zero lag. Perfect for streaming. Method 4. Appendingly. Just keep adding rows forever. Fastest method on the planet. Used by Uber, Netflix, everyone with event data. Method 5. Upsert. Merge the king of modern loading, Snowflake, BigQuery, and Delta Lake. All of native merge commands that insert new rows and update old ones in one shot. This single command can replace 50 lines of messy code. Here is the exact flow of the top 1% use. 1. Connect to your source. API, S3, Kafka 2. Choose your strategy, I always recommend. Incremental plus, merge 3. Use bulk loading, never row by row. Snowflake. Copy into BigQuery. BQ load Redshift. Copy from S3-4. Add a watermark column last underscore updated. 5. Run your merge statement. 6. Celebrate because your load just went from 4 hours to 12 minutes. Pro tip. Inside pro tip. Always load into a staging table first. Then merge. Never load straight into production tables. That's how careers die. I once saw a company spending $47,000 a month on full loads every night. They switched to incremental plus merge in Snowflake. Same data. Same business. New cost. $3,200. Month. That's $528,000 saved in a year. Want me to drop the exact code I used? Comment code below, and I'll pin the GitHub link. Best tools right now. Fivetran and Airbyte. 0 dbt4 transformations after loading Apache Airflow or Dagster. To schedule everything. Delta Lake Iceberg, if you re on Databricks 2025 winner. ELT, DBT, Snowflake, BigQuery combo. So now you know exactly what data loading is, why it matters, and the exact methods that are making data teams heroes in 2025. If this video saved you even 1 hour of pain, do these 3 things right now. 1. Smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm. 2. Subscribe to DataFocusOfficial and hit the bell. We drop a new data engineering banger every week. 3. Comment your biggest loading struggle below. I read every single one and reply to the best ones. With free templates, want the full Notion checklist plus merge templates I use for clients. Link in description. First, 500 people get it free. Drop DataFocus in the comments so I know you watched till the end. See you in the next one. Now go make your pipelines stupidly fast. Peace.